I am Vishwanath Harihar, Principal Promoter and Director of Vilprotech and Koshima. Both are private limited companies. Vilprotech started in 1984, Koshima in 94. Now coming to the aspect of this feedback, Subhash Bhai Kankaria has been known to me for over 2 decades. I will confine myself to the activities of Vilprotech, where we are handling heavy duty corrosion primarily in the lead acid batteries, where we have had a complementary role to play. Early 90s I did one insulation job in his truck, which became a brand ambassador for our concept of lining to other battery industries. So from then on I have seen his growth right across the corporate to the small scale to the medium scale. And what I have come to appreciate about Subhash Bhai is consistency in terms of deliveries and quality of the product that he makes, which is mainly sulfuric acid with a assured level of quality for lead acid battery industry. I would like to say that, like what is blood to the human being, electrolyte sulfuric acid is to the electrolysis process for a battery. So you are assured of the quality when you deal with Kankarias. I wish him all the best. I am happy to learn they are expanding and they are planning, or they have already put up a very large unit in Haryana. I have not visited the site, but we have as usual provided the corrosion resistant flooring. Very interesting aspect of Vilprotech's business and Kankarias is this. In a way, both of us are single product companies. Like we provide thermoplastic insulation of the varieties of specification with the USP of minimum 5-year maintenance free service life, and consistently we have doubled it in terms of performance. Vis-a-vis Kankarias, what I have seen him with the cross section of clients, from largest client like Exide to Amar Raja, that he has been consistent in his quality and in his delivery, and he has again a single product in different specific gravities. It is sulfuric acid right through, from concentrated to say 1.2 gravity. So I wish him the best, and particularly I would like that the large corporates like Luminous, Sucam, Gem, Genus and Eastman, these are large players and many are going to come over, and also perhaps Base Terminal in Solan. These are the people who could immensely benefit from accepting the services and the product from Kankaria, and they have been, all these people have been our loyal clients for Vilprotech and also now Koshima. I wish all the very best to Kankarias and further venture and growth in North and all over the country. Thank you.